thinking about setting up a Marketing Consulting LLC, but unsure where to start? Let's break it down together. Starting a Marketing Consulting LLC can be a game changer for your business. It offers flexibility, personal liability protection, and potential tax benefits. But what exactly do you need to get started? Well, first things first, you'll need a unique business name. This name should stand out and clearly reflect what your business does. Remember, you'll need to check that it's not already in use in your state. Next up, it's time to file the Articles of Organization. This is a simple document that officially registers your LLC with the state. It sounds fancy, but it's just a basic form with the essential details about your company, like its name, address, and the names of the owners. But don't sweat the details. LegalRegistration.com has got your back to guide you every step of the way. Before jumping into paperwork, it's also smart to outline your business goals and services. Ask yourself, what kind of marketing consulting do you want to specialize in? Maybe you'll focus on digital marketing, branding, or social media strategy. Having a clear vision not only helps you structure your LLC better, but also attracts the right clients who need your expertise. Now, there's also the operating agreement. While not mandatory in every state, it's a smart move to have one. This document outlines how your LLC will run, including ownership percentages, roles, and responsibilities. It's like setting ground rules for your business relationships. And let's not forget about the EIN, or Employer Identification Number. This is like a social security number for your business, and you'll need it for taxes and to open a business bank account. It's easy to get through the IRS, but if you'd rather not deal with more forms, LegalRegistration.com can help sort it out for you. Once your LLC is officially up and running, don't overlook the importance of branding and marketing your own services. Create a professional website, build a strong online presence, and start showcasing your success stories. As a marketing consultant, your brand image is your proof of expertise, so make sure your online presence reflects the same quality you'll deliver to your clients. Finally, depending on your location, you might need specific licenses or permits to operate legally. It's crucial to know your local regulations to avoid any hiccups down the line. So there you have it, a quick overview of registering your Marketing Consulting LLC. It might seem like a lot, but with the right support, it's totally doable. Ready to take the plunge? Visit LegalRegistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 for the assistance you need. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching.